Sonny Slim here once again. Today I'm going to show you how you can earn USDT from a paying app in Nigeria, and with that you can earn $50 daily. So stay tuned. There is a website called BTOLL, and the website has an Android app and also a wallet called HUBCOIN wallet, which you can use to earn USDT daily. By you doing this, you are able to make USDT. You don't need to deposit money in it. All you need to do is follow what I instructed in my screen, which we are going to head down to, and the website is 0% risk free. And with this you can earn such kind of cash like this, also like this as well. You can recharge as well. It's very easy to. The app itself is very efficient. So with this, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment, and while we head down to our screen and follow what I'm about to show you.
At BTOLL website, you can visit their website at btoll.com. You can see BTOLL is an international payment currency exchange and audit project, which is a business group serving the world, including senior government officials, Middle East oil companies, Russian businessmen, Europe and American government politicians. So BTOLL Group has many main businesses. The company has made strategic adjustments, and we place the payments business in the primary position of the company's business. BTOLL principles of making money is by helping merchants all over the world to confirm whether each customer payment is correct. For each order, BTOLL will receive a handling fee of 1 to 2% of the order amount. You can see how to get BTOLL app. You can see it from their website. You can download the app here, which is available on Android alone, and also you can also download it from the link in the description below, which I left as well in the description below of this video. You can see everything about BTOLL. You can see their Telegram group. I'm going to leave link of the Telegram group in the description below as well. You can see from here. So this is BTOLL website. The reason why you should choose BTOLL is because it was founded 30 years ago, and 10 years ago BTOLL Payments Company was launched. A complete set of industrial chain has been formed, and its business has now spread to more than 100 countries and regions. From 30 years ago, the offline on-site business, to 20 years ago, the online banking transaction business, to 10 years ago, the digital currency transaction business, BTOLL has been following the footsteps and trend of the times, and always take the safety and speed of customer funds and the starting point. So BTOLL is different from all other money making projects. No investment is required. Capital is with user for 24 hours, zero risk. One person at most can buy 810 USDT credit cards. They do not want every user to recharge too much money. They only need quantity with huge number of users who can do transfer confirmation. 3. This is an international payment company which need many users to do transfer confirmation. No investment projects. 4. The harder you work, the more you earn. So again, BTOLL is registered in America, in Colorado State. You can there's a video that I'm going to display right now that show how the evidence of license of BTOLL in Colorado State, and is approved by the United States government. You can visit www.colorado.osos.gov and search for BTOLL. Here is the website of Colorado State government in the United States of America. That is the coloradosos.gov. That's the website. When you scroll down, when you visit the website, you scroll down, you can see from the description of the video, scroll down and you search for the business database search. You can see, you type in the BTOLL in the search box. You can type in BTOLL Group and BTOLL Group Limited, and it gives you the complete information on BTOLL registration in the United States. Yeah,
fully licensed company that have been approved by the government of the United States in Colorado State. Okay, that's it. You can see all the information of BTOLL Group. So it is a legit company that is registered in America.
Yeah, when you have downloaded the BTOLL app and the HUBCOIN app, you can see it on my phone. You head down to the BTOLL app. You can see when you log in, you have to sign up and log in. You can see everything from my profile. That's the home page of the BTOLL app. You can see way to get more other credit from the scrolling button. There is BTOLL official agency. There is some dear respectful user. There is some instruction, their method to and order to get that. There is new method to get other credit from there that is scrolling across for to inform you. Okay, this is the market. You click on market. This is the navigation. This is your history about or for your transaction. This is a reminder that reminds you of any other information. This is your other credits. Now other credit is the profit. This is your other credit is the profit. The more you have the credit, you will make more profit. And if you have more credit, you can make more profit. To do business, you need credit, and to get credit, you need to get it in three ways. One, you can invite your friends and let him bind HUBCOIN and BTOLL. You get 10 other credit from him. Two, you can purchase from BTOLL by depositing money. Your deposited money will get back after due date. For example, if you purchase 1 day card, your deposited money will get back automatically to your BTOLL account in 24 hours. Three, if you invite your friend, if your invited friend does one transaction, you will get one credit. If he does 1,000 transaction, you will get 1,000 credit, and so on. So those are ways to earn other credit. So you can see this one is promotion. That is how BTOLL is. I'm going to show you how to bind BTOLL and HUBCOIN. First of all, you have to go to BTOLL, and you click on this button I just clicked below. Then you see USD withdrawal, you see address book, you see USDT receiving address. You click on USDT receiving address. You click on USDT TRC20 network. You click it, and that's all. You click it, you enter the amount. Then you go to HUBCOIN. Click on deposit, click on USDT, you click on TRC20, you click on confirm, you copy the USDT recharge address. You can also then you switch back to BTOLL. You can put any name here. Then you can put the address you copied from HUBCOIN. You submit. This is how to bind a your USDT to your HUBCOIN. So it has been binded right now. Now, now again, if you want to recharge, you have to click this side of the BTOLL app. You have two options to recharge. There's the cash deposit option. There's USDT deposit option. Let's go down to cash deposit option. You click on cash deposit. You can see, let's assume we want to buy 30 USDT. You put on 30 USDT, you click submit. It direct okay, you see it gives you the pay amount in Nigerian naira, which is 20 naira, 20,418 naira. Receive amount 30 USDT. Exchange as an exchange rate of 680.6 per USDT dollar. You click on confirm. It's going to lead you to a payment gateway. You can see can see then you have two options to pay with your bank transfer or you pay with your card. That is the way to recharge your BTOL with your bank account. So let's head down back. Let's head down to the USDT deposit on the same BTOL app. You click on USDT. Let's assume you want to recharge 30 USDT. You click on buy USDT. You click on, you see 30 USDT. This order will be expiring within 14 minutes. Please pay in time. You have three different networks: the ERC20, the TRC20, and the HUBCOIN. You click on HUBCOIN. You click on submit. Then you go to your HUBCOIN. You can see it directs you to your HUBCOIN, which you can recharge your HUBCOIN. You can recharge from your HUBCOIN. That is how you deposit funds into your BTOL app. And there is something called order card. If you deposit 100 USDT for 100 days, you will get 400 order credit every day. So total you will get 4,000 order credit in 10 days, and that can get 20% profit. If you deposit 150 for 15 days, you get 700 order credit every day. So total you get 10,500 order credit in 15 days. If you deposit 200 USDT for 20 days, you will get 1,000 order credits every day. So total you will get 20,000 order credit in 20 days. So you can see everything from this order credit. You can see it. The order credit will not expire even if the card validity expire. That is how you get order credit. This is how you can get more profit by inviting friends. If you can invite 100 friends who they do transaction 100 times for each person, you will get 100 times 100, which is equals to 10,000 credits. If you have 10,000 credits and you trade with 10 USDT, your profit is 10 times 1,000 times 0.5, which is equals to 50 USDT. Note, you can only get order credit, but also you can get for 3 levels agency benefit from them. First level, 10% of their investment of profit. Second level, 5% of their investment of profit. Third level, 2% of their investment of profit. So you have to just keep sharing your invitation code to your family and to your friends to get more profits. This is an example of capital gain. Recharge $250 and purchase 30 days order card, and daily you will get 1,600 credits daily. The remaining $50 used for other transactions daily finish the 1,600 credit, then you will get $8 daily profit. In a month you will get $240 profit. After the expiry of the order card plus 24 hours, the $300 which you use for purchasing will return back to your BTOL account. $300 order card plus $50 used for transaction plus $240 profit is equal to $590 will be there in your hand. You can also study this table below about other transaction amounts, transaction profit time, transaction profit for 10 times, transaction profit for 50 times, and transaction profit for 100 times. You can look at it thoroughly and see if you have $1, the transaction profit one time is $0.005. Transaction profit for 10 times is $0.5. Transaction profit for 50 times is $0.225. The transaction profit for 100 times is $0.5, and so goes on for other subsequent amounts: $10, $50, $100, and so on. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you follow. Make sure you comment below. And I'm going to leave in the description below of this YouTube video the Telegram group, your invitation link, and the link to download BTOLL app and HUBCOIN wallet.